Good morning, students. Today we shall start from page number 151. We have read how Lomo want to show that he is a great man. He always say to Natalia, land meadows belongs to me, but she was not accepted, and she always tell this land belongs to my father, my family. Both were quarreling with each other in the way Chupko entered. Okay, so see there, page number 151. See there, Chupko, you Lomos have had lunacy in your family. Lunacy means madness. So your Lomos family had been suffering from madness. Means many persons were suffering from madness in the family of Lomos. All of you means all Lomo, his father, mother, brother, all were suffering from lunacy according to Chupko. Natalia, all right. Natalia is saying, Papa, you are saying right. Chupko, once again, your grandfather was a drunkard and your younger aunt Natsalya Mihalmana ran away with an architect and so on. Means Chupko was complaining your grandfather was a drunkard. Means he used to drink liquor, ale, and his younger aunt also eloped with an architect. This is very sorry for you, Lomo. So Lomo once again is telling, and your mother was humpbacked, clutches at his heart, something pulling in my side, my head, help water. Lomo once again is complaining, okay, in favor of himself, and your mother was humpbacked. Miss your mother, means he is complaining to Chupko, your mother was humpbacked, okay, and he clutches his heart. Lomo clutches his heart, okay, and saying your mother was humpbacked. He was also saying someone pulling my sides, my head. Means he was crying, my head, help, water, where is water? Means you know very well he was suffering from palpitation, okay, so that he was shivering over there, okay. Chupko, your father was a guzzling gambler. Chupko once again is telling, your father was a guzzling gambler. Guzzling means he was too much drinking ale, liquor, and also playing the games, okay. So Chupko always blaming Lomo's family, okay. Natalia once again, and there haven't been many backbiters to equal your aunt. Means your aunt is very meek lady, no backbiters can be compared with her, okay. Means she was too much meek, okay. Means there is no lady which is equal to your aunt. Means no lady can do these kinds of activity in her life. Okay, Chupko once again. My left foot had gone to sleep. You are an interviewer. Oh my heart, and it is an open secret that before the last election you bring I can see stars. Where's my hat? Means in this line, Chupko uh, seeing daydreams. Okay, in his daydreams he is telling my left foot has gone to sleep. Means it is not standing properly. Okay, means Chupko's feet was not properly standing over there. Okay, he is telling you are interviewer. Okay, my heart. Okay, and again he was telling, okay, and it is an open secret. Means everyone know that your father, your mother, your aunt were meek natures. Okay, that before the last elections you bribe. Means it has been happened. Means it has been seen in the first election which was held. Okay, once again he is telling I can see the stars. Where's my hat? Means he was complaining I can see the stars in the sky in daytime. Okay, he was also asking the question where is my hat? Means he was in rude nature. Okay, at that time when he was complaining to Lomo. Okay, Natalia once again telling it's low, it's dishonest, it's mine. Means she is showing here Lomo was a meek nature and dishonest person. Okay, Chupko once again telling and you are just a malicious double-faced interviewer. Yes, you are malicious matlab very meek. Okay, and double-faced, just you want to show me you are a good friend, but indifferent you are a interviewer. Okay, means you are complaining I grabbed your land. Okay, it is not good. Okay, double-faced. Okay, Lomo once again telling here is my hat, my heart, which way, where is the door? Oh, I think I am dying, my foot's quite numb. Okay, here goes to door. Lomo is complaining here is my hat. Okay, once again he was suffering from palpitation, you know very well. Okay, so he is telling here is my hat. Okay, my heart. He kept his hand on his chest and telling my heart, which way is the door? Means where is the door? Okay, oh, I think I am dying, and he is telling I am dying, my foot's quite numb. Means my foot are not controlling to me. Okay, and he was moving towards the door. Okay, Chupko once again telling following him. Means उसके पीछे पीछे जाते हुए. Okay, means when Lomo was moving towards the door, Chupko also following him and doesn't set foot in my house again, and he also is scolding him, don't come in my house once again. चुपको कह रहा है कि आज के बाद फिर मेरे घर में मत आना. ओके, नैतल्या टेक इट कोर्ट वी शैल सी. तो फिर नैतल्या कहती है कि इस मैटर को तुम कोर्ट ले जाओ, मैं देख लूँगी, मतलब हम लोग देख लेंगे, नो प्रॉब्लम. मीन्स टेक द मैटर इनटू द कोर्ट, वी विल सी व्हाट विल हैपन. ओके, लोमो स्टेगर्ड आउट. स्टेगर्ड आउट मतलब लड़खड़ाते हुए बाहर की ओर मूव करता. स्टेगर्ड आउट मतलब कम आउट ऑफ द हाउस. ओके, means at that time when he was complaining, means Chupko was complaining, and he told her don't to come in my house once again, so he moved out of the house of Chupko. Okay, Chupko कहता है devil take him. Okay, devils take him, walks about an excitement. Means at that time when he was feeling excitement, means who? Chupko was feeling excitement. In his excitement he told, okay, devils take him. ओके, डेविल्स मीन्स जैसे आप दानव समझ लें, सो डेविल्स टेक हिम। ओके, नतल्या कर रही है कि व्हाट ए रैस्कल, बदमाश होता है, व्हाट ए रैस्कल, व्हाट ट्रस्ट कैन वन हैव इन वंस नेबर्स आफ्टर ऑल, मीन्स हु कैन बिलीव ऑन दिस काइंड्स ऑफ नेबर। ओके, चुप को कह रहा है कि द विलन, विलन, द scarecrow means the villain, means he is the villain, he is the scarecrow means a meek person. Okay, Natalia once again, the monster, first he takes our land and then he has the impudence to abuse us, means Natalia is telling in this line, Lomo grabbed first our lands, after that he is telling or he is abusing us. Okay, means both way he is showing we are very weak. Okay, जैसे आप कभी झगड़ा करते हैं तो आप समझते हैं कि जो दूसरी पार्टी बहुत बलवान है, तो आप क्या करते हैं कि एक दूसरे से क्या करते हैं, कंप्लेन करने लगते हैं. ओके, सी, सो चुपको वंस अगेन टेलिंग एंड दैट ब्लाइंड hen. Okay, yes, that turnip ghost has the confounded cheek to make a proposal, and so on. What a proposal means, and that blind hen. Okay, yes, that turnip ghost has the confounded cheek to make a proposal. Means Chupko is telling to Natalia, this person is very important for us. Turnip ghost means he is a very important person for us, and he is here to make a proposal, and so on. Okay, what a proposal. Okay, so he was thinking over there what will be a proposal. Okay, so Natalia once again telling, asking what's proposal. Father, what are you talking about? Okay, यानी पापा आप क्या कर रहे हैं, प्रपोजल. चुपको, वाई ही केम हियर टू प्रपोज टू यू. वंस अगेन चुपको कह रहा है कि वाई इफ़ ही वांट टू कैरल विथ यू, वाई ही हैज़ कम हियर टू प्रपोज यू. ओके, वाई नतल्या टू प्रपोज, ही सी आस्क्ड अगेन. ओके, ही was here to propose to me. Why didn't you tell me so before? Means if he was here to propose me, why haven't you tell me before? Okay, Chupko. So he dressed up in evening cloth, the stuffed sausage, the vision faces fruit. So he dressed up. Chupko is telling to her daughter, he was here in evening days, so that he can tell you his proposal to you. Okay, the stuffed sausage means he is a wealthy person. Okay, and vision faces from means he want to show that he is here for propose. Okay, but he was a shy nature person, so that he was not able to propose you. Okay, see, Natalia once again telling, okay, to propose me. Oh, falls into an easy chair, and well, bring him back. Oh, bring him back. Natalia, when Natalia was here, Lomo was here to propose me. Then Natalia told to propose to me, means he was here to propose me. Oh, falls into an easy chair means he Natalia sat in an easy chair, and well means मिलाप करना, well. Okay, and told to her father, okay, bring him here, means call again, means call Lomo into the house. Okay, Chupko, bring whom here, means whom I call here. Okay, Natalia, quick, I will fetch him. Natalia, when Natalia here, he was here to propose me. So he called his father to call again Chupko inside the house. Okay, quick quick father, I will fetch him. Fetch means to call him. Okay, hysteric मतलब परेशान होते हुए. Okay, a kind of a disease. Okay, call him, without him I cannot survive. Okay, so Chupko, what is that, what's the matter with you? Clutches at his head. Oh, unhappy man that I am, I shall shoot myself, I shall hang myself. We have done for her. Miss, what is that? Miss, he was not able to go to call again Lomo. He felt very sad. Why? Miss, what the matter with you? Miss, when Natalia called her father to call Lomo, then Lomo asked what is the matter to call him inside the house. Okay, he clutches his head in his hands. Suppose that if you are feeling tired, you can clutches your heads into your palm. Okay, so he clutches his head. Okay, and told himself, unhappy man that I am very unhappy man. Okay, I shall shoot. If I have a gun, I shoot myself. Okay, I shall hang myself. Okay, we have done for her. Miss, we have done. We fight with Lomo for my daughter, but my daughter is telling to me to call once again Lomo inside the house. How it is possible for a father whom he quarrel again, he called him inside the house. Okay, Natalia once again telling, I am dying, fetch him. Father, if you will not call Lomo once again, I will die. Okay, Chupko, it's foo at once, don't tell. Okay, so he was telling, okay beta, cool down, don't yell. L मतलब cry, means don't cry. Runs out a pause, yani means pause means stop. He stopped for a while and runs outside. Okay, Natalia stepped Nova Wells. She was sitting in armchair. Okay, and welling. Okay, what have they done to me? Means what we have done to Lomos. Okay, fetch him back. Okay, means we haven't do anything with the Lomo. Okay, so call him. A pause. Chupko runs in. Pause means stop. There was a stop for a while. Chupko runs to call Lomo once again. Okay, Chupko, he is coming and so on. Devils take him out. Okay, talk to him yourself. I don't want. For some time, Natalia stopped. Chupko told, he is coming, means Lomo is coming now. Okay, and so on, means he told everything. Okay, and they will take him. Okay, so they will take him. Okay, he is complaining to her daughter. Okay, if you want to propose, then you yourself go out and catch him. Okay, take to him yourself. I don't want, means I will not go to catch Lomo once again. Okay, Natalia wells बिलाप करते हुए, fetch him once again. She tell, go and fetch. Okay, Chupko yells, चीखते हुए कहता है, चिल्लाते हुए, crying, he is coming. I tell you Natalia, he is coming. Okay, oh, what a burden, Lord, to be the father of a grown-up daughter. Means why the God made the father of a grown-up lady, of a grown-up daughter. Okay, I shall cut my throat, I will indeed. Okay, he is complaining to God, if I do the mistake with the guest, it is not possible once again to make excuse. Okay, so oh my God, okay, be father of a grown up daughter, I shall cut my throat, I will means I shall cut my throat, okay, so that it will not happen with me again. Okay, he cursed himself, he was cursing himself, okay, abuse him, okay, he abused also himself, drove him out, and it's all you, means I have done all for you, okay, but again you are telling go and call Lomo, it is not possible for me. Chupko is telling to her daughter, okay, Natalia, no, it was you. So Natalia once again telling, it was you complained with Lomo, so you go and call Lomo once again, okay. Chupko, I tell you, it's not my fault, means I always tell you it's not my fault, okay. Lomo appear at the door, and now you talk to him yourself. Again Chupko told her daughter, go, Lomo is at the door, so go and call him yourself, I will not go, okay. Then Chupko excited from there. Lomo enters exhausted, मतलब थका हुआ था, means he was too much tired, my heart's palpitating awfully, मतलब very fast, means he was complaining over there, my heart is palpitating, मतलब beating too much fast, my foot's gone to sleep, means my foots are not controlling to me, there's something that keeps pulling in my side, means something is pulling from side, okay. Natalia, forgive us, okay, Ivan Vasilevich, we were all a little hatred. I remember now, Oxen Meadows really are yours. So see there, if you are quarreling with your father, mother, or anywhere, okay, so you complain, you abuse too much. But if you want something from others whom you were fighting, then you can accept everything what your friends telling to you, okay. यानी कभी कभी ऐसी गलतियाँ होती हैं, अनजाने में आप हर चीज़ें बोल देते हैं, लेकिन जब आपको एहसास होता है कि ये पर्सन मेरे लिए कर रहा है या मेरे लिए किया, तो आप जो भी वो गलत करता है उसके लिए आप उसे एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं, ओके. सो यही चीज़ें यहाँ पे होती है. देखें, नतालिया फॉरगिव अस मीन्स वट एवर आई डन विद यू, फॉरगिव मी, ओके. Ivan Vasilevich, we were all a little hatred, means we were fighting for meek things, okay. I remember now, Oxen Meadows really are yours. Now she is telling, Oxen Meadows are yours, this land is not belongs to my family, okay. Lomo once again is telling, my heart's beating awfully means too much fast, my heart is beating too much fast, my meadows, my eyebrows are both twitching, my midwoe, okay, midwoe and eyebrows, means head and eyebrow are twitching, okay. Twitching means फड़फड़ाना, okay. मतलब at that time he was too much eager, okay, and he was also suffering from palpitation, okay, so that his meadows and eyebrows were twitching, okay. Natalia once again telling, the meadows are yours, yes, yours, do sit down. They sit, we were wrong, means Natalia once again telling to Lomo, we were wrong, okay, to tell you Oxen Meadows are ours. Oxen Meadows are not ours, Oxen Meadows are yours, okay. Both sit over there, okay. Lomo, I did it on principle, means I told you because it was my principle, okay. My land is worth little to me, but the principle, the land which whom I was talking, it was worthless for me, but for the principle as a ownership, this land belongs to me, okay. Natalia once again, yes, the principle, okay, yes, principle means data, okay, or the notice, okay. by the principal, means you are right. Okay, just so. Now let us talk to something else. So Natalia once again tell to Lomo, okay, leave the matters, whatever had done with us, okay, we have to talk the different things, okay. Lomo, the more so as I have evidence, okay. Okay, once again Lomo is telling, I will show the evidence by which I am telling this land belongs to me. My aunt's grandmother gave the land to your father's grandfather peasant. And once again Lomo is telling, uh, my grandmother gave this oxen meadow to your grandfather's peasant. Okay. Natalia, yes, let us that pass aside. Miss, leave this matter. Okay, I wish I knew how to get him started. Okay, we know that. Okay, this land belongs to you, but let us start something else. Okay, are you going to start shooting soon? So Natalia once again asking, are you going to start shooting, means hunting for the animals? Lomo is telling once again, okay, I am thinking of having a go at the black cock, honored Natalia Stepanova, after the harvest. Oh, have you heard? Just think, what a misfortune I have had. My dog Gaze, who you know has gone lame. I am thinking of having a go to the black cock, honored Natalia Stepanova, means Lomo is telling to Natalia Stepanova, okay, I will go for hunting for a black cock after harvesting. Okay. Oh, have you heard, miss, you know about my dog Case, okay, who is lamb or who has gone lamb, means you know about my dog Case. I want to go for hunting after the harvesting, okay, but there is a misfortune for me. My dog became lame. Okay, Natalia, what a pity. Why? Means how it will happen with you? Means how it happened? Lomo, I don't know. Must have got his leg twitched or beaten by some other dogs. Hi, my very best dog, to say nothing of the expensive. I gave Mirono 125 ruble for him. Means he is here. Lomo is telling about his dog. I don't know how my dog's leg twitched or how it has been beaten. I don't know. Okay. He take the soy loudly. It is my best dog, okay, and I have expense much money, 125 rubles for him, okay. Natalia, it was too much, Ivan Vasilyevich. Natalia once again asking, it was too much, you are telling? This is very much money you have paid for it. Lomo कहता है, I think it was very cheap. Means, but he is telling it was very cheap. He has a first-rate dog. Why? Because it was a first-rate dog. Okay. Suppose that if you have a dog, okay, and he is good, the dog is good for you, then you praise your dog. Okay. This is the unique dog in my town. Okay. its cost is very high in my town. Okay, so you praise your dog. Okay. Natalia, Papa gave 85 rubles for his squeezer, and squeezer is a heaps better than gas. Once again, Natalia is comparing her dog to Lomo's dog. So, okay, Natalia telling my father bought a squeezer dog at 85 rupees. Okay, and squeezer is very means squeezer is too much better than gas. Okay, so Lomo once again telling squeezer better than gas, means how you can say that Lomo is squeezer is better than gas. What an idea, means he was laughing, okay, to know the squeezer's name. Squeezer is better than the gas. Okay, Natalia, of course he is better, of course squeezer is young. Okay, Natalia once again is complaining. Okay, of course squeezer is a young one. Okay, he may develop a bit, means he may take some day to develop, but on point and pedigree, means on the point and on the basis of the quality. Okay, he is better than anything that even Volkanovski has got. Okay, Volkanovski is a kind of a person who has got a dog, okay, which was too much essential, okay, for Lomo. Excuse me, Natalia Stepanova, but you forgot that he is overshot, and an overshot always means the dog is a bad hunter. So Lomo once again complaining, excuse me, Natalia Stepanova, you know very well and you forget it also, an overshot dog cannot be a good hunter. Okay, so your dog is overshot. Okay, Natalia once again complaining, overshot is he, miss my dog is overshot, miss you are telling my dog is overshot. The first time I heard it, means this word I have heard first time, I don't know about it. Okay, Lomo, I assure you that his jaw is shorter than the upper, means he is complaining this line, means your dog is squeezer, so lower jaw is shorter than the upper jaw. Okay, Natalia, have you measured, means have you measured my dog's jaw? Lomo, yes, he is alright at falling, of course, but if you want to get hold of anything, means he is alright, means yes, I am telling right. Okay, of course, but if you want to get hold of anything, means if you want to know anything, then you I will tell you. Okay, Natalia, in the first place of squeezer is a true bird animal at the pedigree of your dog at all. He is old and as ugly as a worn out cab horse. Okay, I think I leave there. Okay, tomorrow I will teach you the remaining part. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.